You buy things you do not need. Soon you will have to sell things you need. Warren Buffett. His net worth is $71.5 billion. Warren Buffett was born on 30 August 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska. He developed an interest in business and investing in his youth, eventually entering the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania in 1947 before transferring and graduating from the University of Nebraska at the age of 19. He went on to graduate from Columbia Business School, where he molded his investment philosophy around the concept of value investing that was pioneered by Benjamin Graham. He attended New York Institute of Finance to focus his economics background and soon after began various business partnerships, including one with Graham. He created Buffett Partnership Ltd in 1956, and his firm eventually acquired a textile manufacturing firm called Berkshire Hathaway, assuming its name to create a diversified holding company. In 1978, Charlie Munger joined Buffett and became vice chairman of the company. Buffett has been the chairman and longest shareholder of Berkshire Hathaway since 1970. He has been referred to as the Oracle of Omaha by global media outlets. He is noted for his adherence to value investing and for his personal frugality despite his immense wealth. Research published at the University of Oxford characterizes Buffett's investment methodology as falling within founder-centrism, defined by a deference to managers with a founder's mindset and ethical disposition towards the shareholder. Collective and an intense focus on exponential value creation. Essentially, Buffett's concentrated investment shelter managers from the short-term pressure of the market. Buffett is a notable philanthropist, having pledged to give away 99% of his fortune to philanthropic causes, primarily VIA, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. He founded the Giving Pledge in 2009 with Bill Gates, whereby billionaires pledged to give away at least half of their fortune. You can't make a good deal with a bad person.